yesterday.
I check my review.
I'll tell you why later.
All right, so we got a fun show ahead, as fun as we can make it. But let's get some trending topics out the way. All right, so as it has been for the past fortnight or so, COVID-19 is the talk of the town, and I suspect things will be like this for a little while as the numbers continue to rise here in Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the greatest threat to the government's COVID-19 fight is the people who arrived in Jamaica between March 18 and 23 and have failed to report to the health ministry. When found, they will be taken into a state quarantine and will be charged.
I agree.
The majority of Jamaica's confirmed cases are imported cases, and we're now at 53. 5-3.
Yep.
So, globally, COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, is the talk on everybody's lips, whether you're a teacher, doctor, economist, actress, sports person, everybody's talking about it. And now that our numbers continue to rise, it's going to be a topic for quite a while.
Well, I mean, this isn't even our spike.
No,
this is just the... And I saw somebody make a comment yesterday on our Prime Minister's Instagram page when he posted how many there were. And it said we're doing pretty well. Yes, we are. But I also don't want anybody to get complacent and comfortable because you see the number 53. That is not an entire or a completely accurate number because we have a lot of people in this island who came in here. They said it was about approximately 5,000 people who came in.
And 4,500 are still here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so of the 4,500, I think only 300 and something people turned themselves in to the state to be checked. So we cannot say that is an accurate number. Just treat it like everybody you know have it and you have it too. So you maintain your social distance in between.
Yeah, and there are people who are still under investigation. We have the positive out of this is that 7 people have been cleared.
Yes.
For the next
recovered.
Recovered. But for the next 14 days, they'll have
still have to be watched.
You know, so it's an interesting topic. I've been reading different things about research that is being done about the coronavirus, and they're talking about they're trying everything from marijuana to they're talking about the tuberculosis injection we got.
Must read the marijuana.
Yeah, man, of course. They're trying everything, and I mean it. And the world has gathered together. It made me realize more so now than ever is that we're so much alike as human beings, and people fail to realize it. And this virus has brought everything back to perspective. You know, we may be different because of where we live or race, but we are all the same.
Yeah. And listening to the press conference last evening, I listened to the Minister of Foreign Affairs list out an entire, like a page-long list of donations from countries all over the world who are suffering in their own right.
Yeah.
But they found time to give to us. And I'm saying to myself, boy, Jano, we're grateful. We are so grateful. And that's what it brought to light, that we are all pulling together against this threat, you know. All right, next up, as you know by now, to put a stave on the virus, the Prime Minister has implemented an all-island curfew that became effective on Wednesday at 8 p.m. He also provided a list of individuals who are exempted outside their homes in pursuit of their jobs and will be required to provide a photo ID to prove their employment. The curfew ends on April 8th. So as I was telling Dwayne, in face alone, now go cut it. Him have ID was saying work here. Any other ID now go work out. So you might have a little cute face and go on, but it now go help you if the police stop you.
Wait, say it again.
Oh, merciful Redeemer. You see why I don't give the
No, you're not part there loud enough. Say it again.
No, me take it back then. Yes, so guys, unless you are a part of the exempted list, and you can find the exempted list online, you can go on there and find it online. And unless you know you're a part of it or your name, you can see your title on that list. Yep. Do not go on the road between 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. because them are lack of people.
Yeah. I have 2 IDs I can show them on the road anyways.
Oh, yeah, say.
Yeah,
So, yeah, move.
I tell you.
Buy one.
The biggest trend in the world right now, coronavirus and COVID-19.
Oh, boy.
And we spoke about this Thursday. Why not turn them into baby names?
Mad.
Yep, an Indian couple says they've named their newborn twins Corona and COVID in an effort to put a positive spin on the deadly pandemic that's sweeping the globe, end quote. The bouncing bundles of viral joy arrived on March 27th in India, according to media reports. And my thing is, we spoke about this Thursday, that people would do this. It was...
And ta-da!
What happened?
Why would you do that to your poor children? They say, your name has a lot to do with the person you become. I don't know if that has any truth to it, but why would you take the risk of naming a child something like that?
I mean, so Thursday, Dale and I, we were looking at the names, right? Mm-hmm. And your name means, I don't remember what it means.
Yeah, you would remember, but you know what Dale own mean though?
I don't remember what it means.
What should you feel like help you out?
No, I know what it means.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
It's actually pronounced Dahlia.
Yes.
But yeah. Yeah, yours is Arabic. Is it Arabic?
Yes.
Yeah, Arabic.
And it has an Indian meaning as well.
Yeah, is it not sun?
No, Guangalo, it means bringer of light.
Bringer of what?
Light.
Yeah, sun.
All right. Okay.
Ah,
oh, yeah. You feel good? Nice.
So my producer told me that corona means crown.
A lie. We never really looked that up.
So, yeah, that's what the father said. And I mean, you can put a meaning to anything right now.
So what about COVID?
COVID me.
Oh, they never think about that one.
Crown 2. Crown 2. Crown number 2.
Crown 19. Okay, all right. This one now.
Right.
Definitely. This one is no surprise to some, but definitely a disappointment to many, especially Sheffield and Dwayne. 6 years to the day, dancehall artist Vybz Kartel was sentenced. He has lost his appeal against his murder conviction. After a near 2-year wait, the Court of Appeal on Friday morning handed down a judgment affirming the murder conviction of the popular entertainer. Now, I remember, it's one thing this corona COVID thing has done for me. You see radio? I never used to listen to radio. I mean, like, I would listen to Zip or other stations or RGR or Riri when I was younger. But now I'm a good girl and I'm grown, so I listen to the right things. When Corona started, I was always on Radio Jamaica. And I listened to every informative piece of information. I tell you, when them break down everything, give me. And yesterday when I was listening, Emily Shields is so fantastic. I mean, when I tell her, she give you the information piece by piece, and she had me like with bated breath by the radio. And the first person I had to check on was my friends, see if they were okay. I mean,
it was 50-50, and there's a 235-page document that I'll go and read this afternoon.
Why?
From start to finish, because I want to. A lot of people, they hear the verdict, but they don't understand how the verdict came about. So there's a 235-page document I'm going to read from. I'll read the start and I'll go from back to the front.
Why?
I like getting the details for myself. I mean, someone can read it to me, but I like to get the details for myself, then reach out to people who understand the law, and then I ask them questions.
And then after that, what exactly would you be garnering
because
from that?
the proposal now is for them to go to Privy Council.
The Privy Council, yes, I'm aware.
So I want to know how they get to that stage. Like, what's the process, to get into the Privy Council?
Okay, you still have not answered my question. And I know I'm getting the rap signal from. Why?
Because I want to understand it for myself.
And then what does that do for you?
It's just a sense of understanding I want. That's all I need.
Okay.
Because there may be
so
cases
it's not to change your opinion either left or right.
Because
it's just to know.
What I want is that there are going to be future cases, and I want to understand the direction that the judge and the jury goes in a future case like this.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
All right.
Yeah. The precedent has been set.
Okay.
So I want to understand.
Great. Good for you with learning. My learning goes in different directions. But okay, I mean, if you're interested in law, that's fantastic. And who knows, you might be a lawyer one day. Hey!
TVJ need a lawyer.
TVJ, I'm not a lawyer.
Smile Jam needs a lawyer. I've been a Smile Jam lawyer.
That's it for Trending Topics, guys. Oh, gosh.
Hey.